Have you ever been on a website and you wanted to take action but couldn't find a button to take you to the next step? It's like getting seated at a table in a great restaurant, but the waiter never arrives. I'm ready to order. How do I do it? Well, you can leave your viewers hanging in video too if you don't give them a clear and concise call to action. At the end of all my Blue Square series videos, I offer a next step. Things like, make sure to download our app, always on. We'll see you on LinkedIn. You're really doing a disservice to your viewers if you don't give them a way forward to continue engaging with you. I try to do it in all my videos, and you should too. If you're looking for help in creating videos that will ensure you're differentiated and stand out from the pack, I encourage you to check out the services offered by the team at Decanter. And here's your clear call to action. Visit ideadecanter.com to find out more. They'll show you how to activate permission marketing using content that enables you to sift out good prospects from the massive suspects and build predisposition so they raise their hand and opt in, reaching out to you directly. That's the power of a great call to action.